I can't see a damn thing fake walk. I can't see a damn thing fake walk.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Edgar and welcome to my channel. This is gonna be my first video on my car. It's an automatic 2005 G35X. Today I'm gonna be making a video on how to fix manual mode or manumatic mode in the automatic transmissions for I believe 2003 all the way up to 2006 for G35 sedans, coupes, and maybe even 350Zs. I know the manual mode is a really big issue on the automatic G's and Z's, so I really just wanted to get it out of the way and try to figure out how to fix it, because I was having the issue for myself really bad. Like, the car would not go into manual mode when I first bought it. No matter what I did, all the resets, the gate switch cleaning and all that, none of it works. It doesn't pertain to exactly where the issue is sourcing from. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I fixed it to work 100%. Check it out. As you can see, manual mode works flawlessly. Fourth, third, second, first. Anytime you look up on YouTube on how to fix this, it will tell you need to prop this open and get to the switch that basically decides whether you're in drive or manual. And they're basically saying that the switch is damaged when it has nothing to do with anything in the transmission area. I've already gotten a full transmission rebuild before I actually fixed the manual mode, and the transmission rebuild did nothing for it. So this is my car here. This is the G35. It's a G35X all-wheel drive. Have some cosmetic mods, some performance mods. Probably get into another video, but let me get into the point of this video, which is gonna be this manual mode that I ended up fixing. And to fix the manual mode, it has nothing to do with the shifter, nor the transmission, or the TCM. It's all in the gauge cluster. So to fix it, you're given two options: whether you trade in your OEM, like the one that came with your car, and you like send it into a company and they fix the inside and send it back. That way you're left without a car for a couple of days or weeks, whatever the turnaround time is. So instead of sending my own in, I just bought a whole new one. So this one in here is a brand new one. They match it with your odometer and so forth. You enter your VIN and year and all that stuff. And I did a horrible job explaining there, but basically when you order the cluster, you enter whether it's manual or automatic, your odometer reading, whether it has navigation or not, so and forth. And they send you a refurbished cluster. Obviously not a brand new cluster, but they open up a cluster and they resolder all the components in there so that you get a nice healthy cluster. In my case, it fixed my manual mode 100%, zero failure at all since I bought it. Again, thank you for tuning in to my first video, and I hope to shoot another one in this exact spot I'm in right now about a different topic. But regardless, thank you for tuning in. If you are watching, I'd appreciate if you leave a thumbs up. Maybe even if this video doesn't really pertain to you, if you don't have this kind of car, leaving a thumbs up can possibly land my video on the recommended page of someone who may actually really need this video. So I appreciate any support I get. Thank you.
like Stevie. They can't see me. They wanna be